Hi people, so this is Merry Christmas, a little in advance, and today's video is going to tell you how you can use your common household things and add a little bit of Christmas cheer to your homes. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this centerpiece. So as you can see, I've taken wine glasses, so I'm going to show you. I've taken regular wine glasses, you can take deeper ones as well, and I've filled it with some tinsel. I've used green and white. You can use red, green and white. You can put some little colored beads in it, berries in it, mistletoe, anything that catches your fancy. And I've taken a tray, like a narrow white tray. You can take a square tray and do 4. You can take a round plate and do 5. It's entirely up to you. And then I've used tea light candles too. Put this and I'm going to light them, and you have a wonderful centerpiece. You can also use this area to put in a few little things, any colored stones and marbles, and you can even tie a golden bow using ribbon or a red and green bow. I've chosen to keep it simple. Then here I have a planter which is shaped like a turtle or a tortoise. I've taken some pine cones and I've painted them in silver and gold with a little bit of glitter, and I've placed a candle inside this. So when this candle is lit, all of this glitters. The candle has got a little bit used, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stone under it so it rises up. This is a diffuser for aroma oils. So you put a candle, and I've used lemongrass oil, and it just has this amazing fragrance. All of this sets the spirit. And this is again an old candle holder for tea lights and a little bit of wood. You can use a little tinsel or little holly and clip it to the ends. I've chosen to leave it simple. Then over here you can see it's like a little banister or a railing, and I've just taken 3 strands of tinsel in red, green and white, and I've twisted it and secured it with sellotape. So from the front of the house it looks really festive, and here you just feel all of this Christmas cheer. Then here on the windows I've bought these wreaths. These are very simple wreaths with little ribbon, and you can see my absolutely beautiful Chiquita from behind the mesh, and that hole that you see in the mesh has been made by her because she needs to stick her nose out. So this is a very simple wreath with a bell and a bow. So I have hung it on both the windows on both sides of the balcony, and it just looks very festive. This is the front door, and again it has little bits of Christmas cheer. That's like a sprig with flowers, dried flowers, and a little bit of holly which has been painted gold. And this is a lovely cluster of 3 bells, and it sits flat. So the bells are not full bells, these are half bells, so that it sits flat against a door, and that just makes you feel very Christmassy as you enter the house. This again is a centerpiece. I've used it on the table outside at the entrance of the house. I've taken an old basket, I've left it natural, I've put some painted pine cones, and I've put some tinsel here. I've used these 2 golden tea light holders, and I've put a tea light here. So when you light this at night, this entire thing shimmers like gold, and it just gives a very warm feeling. And these are starry lights. You get to buy them on Amazon, and even most of the electrical shops have this, and it just looks so beautiful, and the light is enough to give a soft glow, but it's not too harsh. As you can see, there's tinsel on this side of the balcony as well to give it a symmetrical look. So this is a wonderful piece. It's a scented piece, and it's an installation, and it was made by differently able children of the Sanjay School and in Porvorim. And as you can see, they've just used a wooden frame and put cones and painted it and made some poinsettias out of velvet. So it's a really beautiful piece, and when lit up it looks lovely. So once again, a little more of the Christmas decor. And this is our Christmas tree. I much prefer a living, breathing Christmas tree. And this year we have just done it up with tinsel in two colors. There's this beautiful powder blue and this lovely soft brown, soft milk chocolate color. And the tree is quite tall, and we've kind of interspersed it with bits of green and white tinsel, and there's some bits of red over here. So this is how we like the tree. Very simple and very elegant. Adding yet another shade to our Christmas fervor, we have this beautiful poinsettia tree that is now turning red, and hopefully by Christmas it'll be crimson. This is our Christmas star. It's red and white, and there's a light on inside. As it gets darker, there are little holes cut out on the star, and will see the light shine through. That's our paper lantern, and as you can see, we have beautiful starry lights strung up all the way in the front. And then there's this final bit of Christmas cheer, this tri-colored tinsel in red, green and silver at the gate. So that's it from me for this Christmas. So have yourselves a merry little Christmas and the best of the festive season. Play around with things in your home to bring cheer without spending a huge amount of money, and just bring in the festive feeling.